Buongiorno paisani! Yes, I just finished another beautiful wedding at the Loyola Chapel. It was wonderful. What a beautiful chapel. If you guys are looking to get married, Loyola Chapel, it's very beautiful. So that's it. Today is Thanksgiving Saturday, because I don't know about you guys, but I celebrate it on Saturday, so I can take it easy Sunday and Monday, but I take it easy every day. Today's word. What's today's word? Well, I dressed up nice and I actually complimented myself, and don't think I'm conceited, but I actually believe I look good today. Allora sono bella, che sono bella oggi, mi dice capite, sono bella furuso, mi sta bello. So today's Sicilian Catalogese word that I want to teach you is bella. What does bella mean? It means beautiful, it means pretty. In Italian we say bella or attraente. So that's the word I want to teach you today. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody in Canada, because in the U.S. it's in November. Be thankful for what you have, not be angry or upset of what you don't have, because sometimes we get what we need and not what we want. So that's it. Enjoy your family, enjoy your times together. And on that note, come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo.